Good morning, guys. It's pancake day. I hope you guys are having a fabulous start to your week. You'll notice I've got my pancake apron on. Pancakes need a pancake apron. The recipe I'm going to use today is the recipe off the Bisquick box on the back, and it calls for 2 cups of Bisquick, a cup of milk, and 2 eggs. I'm only going to make half of the recipe today, so I'm using 1 cup of Bisquick, a half a cup of milk, 1 egg, and then I'm going to put some blueberries on some and some mini chocolate chips. So let's get started. So my griddle is heating up. You don't have to have a griddle. You can use a skillet. Make sure you spray it. If you don't have spray, that's okay too. You can use a little bit of shortening on the bottom. So we've got our Bisquick in the bowl. We're going to add our half a cup of milk and our 1 egg. And then we're going to whisk this. Now the thing about pancakes is you just want to mix it until it's all combined. You don't want to mix it where it's completely smooth. Get the big bumps out, but you want it a little bit lumpy. Otherwise it makes your pancakes tough. So we've got that all mixed up. Now we're going to take, this is a 1/4 cup measuring cup. We're going to scoop 1/4 cup of the pancake batter. Pour it on our griddle. Now you can use whatever size of measuring cup or scoop that you wish to make your pancakes. It depends on what size you like. You might even want to make shapes or your initials out of the pancakes. So a half of a recipe using a 1/4 cup measure will make just about 4 pancakes. So I'm going to make a couple of blueberry ones. Now you wait and put your toppings on until after you have them poured on your griddle. That's because if you put them in before that, all the toppings, if you mix it in, it sinks to the bottom, which means it'll burn. So then I'm going to sprinkle some miniature chocolate chips on these pancakes. And when I told my husband what I was making, he was like, that is just wrong. He said, it is terrible to waste a pancake with chocolate chips. Well, what does he know? So, now watching the pancakes, the recipe says to watch them until the edges get a little bit dry, but you'll notice there's some bubbles. See the little bubbles in the pancakes? You're watching the edges, like this one, I can see that the edges are getting a little dry right here. And notice we've got some more bubbles. So I'm going to check it. It's almost ready. Just gonna lift up the edges a little bit. Don't want to flip it too soon because it'll fall apart. Don't ask me how I know that. Trust me. All right, we're going to turn this one. Get our spatula under there. Voila! Oh, isn't it pretty? Turn this one. Yay! Oh, and here goes the best one. I mean, blueberries are good, but you can't beat a good chocolate chip pancake. Look at that. I'm going to grab a plate. Now you just got to check them, make sure they're not burning. Doesn't take very long once you flip them over. See, like this one, I'm going to go ahead and take that up. I'll flip it over to show you what it looks like. See, you don't have burned blueberries. There's our blueberry ones. Here's our chocolate chip pancakes. Don't those look delicious? Top those pancakes with some butter and your favorite pancake syrup and you're set to go. Have a great week, guys. I miss you.